today's subject is where the symbol of Yin Yang come from. We know this symbol, Yang, Yin, day, night, summer, winter, we understand. But how this come from? Not many people understand this one. So let's think about how this developed. Now, all people believe and observe and look at every single day. Then daytime come, night. Next day, daytime come and nighttime. Then they also understand something different too, even though same day. This one is morning. This is the afternoon. And this is evening. And this is the night. Now, every day changing morning, afternoon, evening, night, every single day. Now, when time developed, they found out this one changed into season. Spring, summer, and fall, and winter. Where did this come from? Then what they found out is this is because of sun. Now, here is the mountain, and here is the sun. Then what they found out, this side is bright, and this side is dark. This side is warm, and this side is cool. Now when time changed by, sun moved to here, then this is the opposite way. This become dark and cool, and this side bright and warm. Now this one changing every single day like this one. So ancient people, they do not have language or written a letter yet. So they try to make a sign everybody can understand. So what they did is circle is heaven. Now this heaven means at a long time ago, this is God. And square is earth. And the triangle is human being. Human being. And something else too. Now interesting thing is what is this one? This one is earth. Now there's the four direction. Now divide into four triangle. Now look at this point. Now on this part, like human being, head on the top. So they believe this one is human beings. And then the bottom is down. the plant root here and they grow up this way. So this one is plant. Now, in here, head in the center, old animal. So in the earth, human being live, animal live, and plant live. This is what they promise each other. Okay, when you see this square, this one means earth. When they see circle, this is heaven or God. And when they see triangle, then maybe this one is human being or plant or animal. So sometimes you can see in old books like this. This means heaven and human being. Sometimes like this, that means heaven and human being. Now one thing many people confusing is eastern direction and western direction are different. In here, in the western side, this is the east, this is the west, this is the north, this is south. However, the Oriental concept is a little different, based upon few things. The first one is the north. Supposed to be cold and dark. And the south supposed to be warm and bright. And the warm usually go up this way. The temperature go up this way. So now, interesting thing happened. In the earth, here's the earth, and here's the north, and here's the south. Over here, North Pole region, Arctic there, and over here, South Pole region, Antarctica over there. Now, in the summertime, this Arctic ice melting, but South Pole region, solid one. So Western map and Eastern map is a little different. However, that that's what they believe a long time ago. There is another region. Old people believe those supposed to be here, south supposed to be here, east and west here. Now, in the north is king's position, where the king sits. When king sits in the dark, he can see everything here, observe and to control. However, when they see too bright to me, then I cannot see. So that's why they just make it make direction this way. Now, originally, this is where God exists. However, time and space show up in the earth. This shadow come to Yang and Yin. Now, because the sun move here and move here, then this yang become yin and yin become yang, making circle here. Now, however, this is space and this is time changing into in modern science, like in our science call, just like this one. Now they also believe here is a pole, and here is a pole, and here is the Earth in here. Now what they found is where the sun in here, obviously this is the shadow in here. Now when the sun in here, then the shadow supposed to be longer. Then some very smart people, wait a second, let's measure this one in one whole year. So what they did was, they put the pole in here. Then 1 year are supposed to be 365 days, 1 1/4. And make it 15 days each. They divided this one, then we got about 24. So they divide this one at 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, then then we can add line like this all together. Then also they divide this one at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then obviously same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then they make circle. This 6 and 6 making our 12 months. Then they put the pole in here like this one and observe the length of shadow. Then what they found out, like this. Then when they look at that, let's say this one is winter solstice, and this is a summer solstice, and this become vernal equinox, and over here is vernal equinox. Now, obviously, when this summer in here, the daytime longest one. Then winter in here, the night is longest one. Then when you circle like this one, they found this one is equal, this one and this one is equal on vernal equinox, and obviously on this line, day and night is equal. This is the symbol of Yin and Yang, and this is created by old people science, but still good science, isn't it?